back e okroimu na Danlad any Ethiopia Coffee Club no omawie eti Danlad a free agent.
Yes.
And me busa say Danlad no ye free agent na eneyi obawuram e ofie no Kotoko any beje ho ana in fact me busa Asante Kotoko supporters say would they be okay with if management for Danlad Ibrahim ba, and on the day I think the response was overwhelmingly positive.
Yeah.
It was overwhelmingly positive. I said no BIG tum say yes Danlad the people obey yeah. Now me catch us said Danlad Ibrahim but he's still young.
Yeah.
And it here umpo yabeka achechim amwati ase. Obo Ghana Premier League na che. Hwe Danlad Jenny no ye chechem chara ntiase a wa hwe abama na be 40 years of Japan. Unu zo abo Brekum Chelsea.
Yes.
Wa bo Ken Visor. And wa bo Kotoko abeda na captain.
Wow.
Say yan chechem an chero ba bi asem ni free a. Wa hwe abeka zo Danlad e bia pepe wanyini. Mpacho. Danlad eba Kotoko as a 14-year-old and wako World Cup under 17. Akojini ding. That World Cup was played in India. Only never me visa World Cup. I mean, che baby Joe.
Nice one.
Baby Joe cause I World Cup. I'm a FIFA for a year. Say World Cup no buy no. Or the best supporter of the FIFA World Cup. Baby Joe. Akojini ding World Cup.
Nice one.
So Danlad Ibrahim has been around for some time, playing, passing through the Kotoko ranks, and eventually becoming the Asante Kotoko captain.
Yeah.
Danlad wako World Cup. 2022 FIFA World Cup. Goalkeepers miensa. Ghana erikoma FIFA no. Na Ibrahim Danlad ekasa goalkeepers no.
Yeah.
Enti akwada no de waye adwuma. Na me no kase enne. Ewa dako jachi. Danlad trained with Asante Kotoko.
Ooh.
Asante Kotoko former captain. Asante Kotoko former goalkeeper. Danlad Ibrahim. And now Adako Jachi. Danlad training with Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
87.9 Kumasi. Wow.
Say a year free. Say Kotoko ni na wiye. Say training and observation. Ibrahim Danlad actually played today. In fact, and na Kotoko training na Japan. Omo training kwa nimu no. Omo chem abo 11.
Okay.
Goalkeepers 9 and na training no 9. Abranta did Aziz Haruna Dare. Benjamin Chum.
Okay.
Youth team goalkeeper. I am very clever obeying. But first two goalkeepers are coach is selected for game no. Danlad ejina one side and Aziz Haruna Dare ejina one side.
Wow.
And no na unsa djuma ya che. Yeah, me say na goalkeeper oba try na ya selected players of Japan. Niema Dare ne Danlad dem no there. I say Danlad no obeba na asa yafana na.
And no anami bisa say as a hard to focus to show interest.
Of course. Has possible that has been lose both Benjamin Asare and Agbesi kwa de onya has player. Me no ka say Solomon Agbesi e was South Africa.
Oh, okay.
Agbesi e call last week Thursday. Or has over signed contract e de ama Pro Sports International. Na Pro Sports Isaac Sarr and Mike Makaba are representing no more petim e de ama no.
The original fella.
The branch and the thing at the Agbesi kwa de onikro yim.
Okay.
He's already left town. And okoy no onyanya team de name anya won say obenya team $5,000 $6,000 ni bi de obenya bi.
Okay.
So he's not here. Has and so I received proposals. Phobia no betumi Aton the goalkeeper and Black Stars goalkeeper no.
Benjamin Asare.
So mumienu ekwa eno na ma hat folk show interest in
Danlad.
Ibrahim Danlad no. Yakaza has almost suffered goalkeeping crisis for some time. Last season, last 2 seasons, some goalkeeping crisis has ankom. Dabi ayana akodana ndin ade Sharif Shoaib. Oni nini aba akono kabi mrefi ndin. Nkatia no mbo short otete o na. Wa mo level na nya has level. But has actually yes ye na Samia je goalkeeper. Yana na Bendida go yana James Sano ifri yana Muhammad Alasa free abai has actually so to be the goalkeepers ba. But no more say if they should lose their captain and Black Stars player, then Danlad a bit my adequate replacement. Abushaya can say Danlad is still 23 years.
Wow.
Ibrahim Danlad the age 23.
Wow.
23. Meso abobri kum Chelsea. Abokim Faisal. Abraham Danlad Adakim Faisal no, there was something that happened. At that time, no under 20 goalkeeper on there under 20 captain and goalkeeper guy.
Yes.
Na Ghana will game. Satam Kim Faisal ko boni game e boase. Ese Danlad eba Kumasi be for flight. Edna ni chirem na otim ko join Black Sunlight.
Yeah.
And e kwan mo fa so twi ka for boase. Ede Danlad be pie man be for flight e kon kana enya sem ketwa. So Ibrahim Danlad already training with Kotoko, and we can say Abrante no very likely. In fact, come on. Well, him Danlad bia Danlad one of the most humble guys I have met in footballers. Of my humble. Menene nkasa nkomo mi die ya mi chire ma chire wi. Na met ma chire da be sign contract menene nkasa. Se kamene na kasa dia ka be so menene Danlad kasa no. Menene nkasa. Menzo buy me number na me nakodi nkomo. Tinkler me number bi ote na me nakodi nkomo. But no question me woman metima ka kire what say. Ibrahim Danlad a move pass observation no. Na de am wan say Cameroon goalkeeper no mo frɛ no Kotoa no. Enne training no pay a course no. Kotoa na maybe. Eh 4 goalkeepers. Aziz Benjamin Chum, Danlad Ibrahim, and a clever obeying clever. And a 20 our Kotoko youth team goalkeeper. We and a Japanese, or my goalkeepers, or my training, and a Kujachi. So Danlad, training and coach, your profile of players, what I say. Danlad profile, no. Dianka, Kotoko, my recommended said, Torima Minibia, so Bobby Tima. The profile, no. Eric Tinkler and Stanley Atanasi. I had Danlad profile. Or my check Ethiopia Coffee Club. Names a Kabiru Benya starts what am I honor or first choice goalkeeper. So we are quite never more. Danlad no first choice goalkeeper with them. Now we need player of the month award. No, we need player of the day and the award. The team no award wajia. And 2 years na so. Na control master of the I can't do anymore. I control munsem no. You can't do him. Tinyani nyina na you can ye jabi. Abrante Felice Obafie. Ma mencha wade ba ko. Onim say Danlad. Omo mo ben ni wo gidie say na oda so yakotoko goalkeeper anko be ko work up.
Sure. Because we
akọ work up reda.
Yeah.
To oda so Asante Kotoko goalkeeper. Ya na Kotoko ne kasiye no. E pia ni o ma o. Danlad go akoda with Ethiopia say na dan kurima. Ebi anka na no ye ko work up nka akobi. So Ibrahim Danlad Abba and Ghana, all the national teams were born.
Yeah.
U17, U20, 23, Black Stars, and Black Galaxies. Wabudi in AC. Young Queen, and some more. I'm just person, my champion.
Richard O'Pipe shall raise the fella man.
Uram Awo Adako Jachia. Eric Tinkler say on pet justify. Don't do you so. Eye bibio ya na edene Kotoko no nipa di akire nipa dokotoko no nom tudi eche no dozo te wo mu a na player bi aba ese ehwe no e wo mu a na player bi aba ese coach nyabre ehwe abranje no.
Yes.
But the truth of the matter is that the coach is not really about you should play away with the be.
Yes.
A branch na free Congo. There were 2 Congolese players as we speak out of Campo.
Yes.
Baku a right back, Baku a center back. Kabala. Coach they decided say one more week at the account for sa players no. O person show mu ye kakra ka ho. O show mu ye kakra ka ho wi a. Obe make the final decision. And second ko be to be second ko be jam makono. It will be settled next week.
Nice one.
Before ko be free Kumasi call the second phase of the preseason, you know. Mr. Second phase, they will go with players who will play for Asante Kotoko next season. Players of the penny, unbelievable game, dear Asante Kotoko next season. And then Yami Aduma, one of Eddie Ombako PM or preseason. No? Preseason, one of the San tribe him. Preseason, one and now one half an hour, Kotoko Eres will be even your opportunity a bit there. Na Kotoko Krana was almost too much is bow. Or more Democracy Cup with House of Folk, or more President's Cup with House of Folk. And Nin has a bus for August too. And son of September, you will league, you know. My name is 2 teams in Abatias, I was 2 games now. But Democracy Cup has come to stay. President's Cup is already there. And if the President of the Republic, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Gonja de Shekunkru Bosu Kina was a show. See, I see a back and said, Yes, a Bosu Kina in Munyama. It a big cracker, Ubagaza or more. Is a right, Reverend, right, Honorable Speaker of Parliament. Aban Suwana Kensford Bagley, so near Preseason. And where the answer was a penny, Bakuru US and Namfa. UK, the answer visa in your day. The Kotoko players, House of Folk players. What about we, you know? Mobako Pima Boss aboard UK. Eti Kotoko Bobos are 2 games. But before, on Bobos are 2 games, that team Nefri Kumase. Aquaco PM Ewo and crying. She said, the Matisse and Cran on Baconye, baby Fufrobia. Kotoko team ever conquer with a penny. I want a second phase of the preseason at Aquaco Twazo. But let me reiterate the point, said Kotoko. A PM Ewan crying. They will not still go and do observation inside the Manaman Derby. And per the 10th of August, initially, na Kotoko 6 August.
Yeah.
10th August. One of Abeko. Abuja Prince of Jambo.
Richard Pepe shall read there for
Asante Kotoko 2 training matches, low profile matches. Kotoko about 2 low profile matches. Now one at the coach Stanley Menzo and head coach Eric Tinkler at a further assessment of the team. 2 low profile games on Bobo.
the original.
It's not Friday on.
Yes.
I did Saturday. Because go to my ball games no ba China ba Saturday.
Woo.
Because go to my ball friendly match China. No more ball ba Saturday.
Okay.
Na no question say players na be you know mo she training as no maban. They are putting in effort and answer get to Emmanuel Annor. Ebro mo 11-11 no.
Okay.
Control me no panyagro. Isaac Winterne o she 2 e training grounds o. Saka Dauda Ebogo.
Fantastic.
Dauda Saka she go. Congo for player no right back ni she go. Ana Zakaria Fuseni e she go.
Nice one.
Game na end 4-3 no more Dim Bruta. 7 goals in the PM. 4-3. intensity of the training of Japan a peja ekosoro. A brand coach ne kacha mranche say wamun hwanu peja mmodi monum. Wamun peja mno. Ama place in here say Charlie eyes are watching. And you need to be as ultimately a satisfied coach at least. And to satisfy the coach, you must play above your strength.
Sure.
And no amakotko training of Japan e mo peje mo ayden.
Wow.
Mranche no bia yire no. Obi a say when Kotoko is leaving Kumasi on the 10th of August to Accra, on part of Chima Aircraft.
Fantastic.
Abusia same way obi anka pepe meka.
The original fella.
Krofo be di matem but meka. Minim if Asante Kotoko board no ewo a special plan to bring in players abusia quality no. E be any league mo.
Okay.
And I'm hoping that is the plan. Se Kotoko outside akofa players quality no mo dey ba ne bi ni kronum. Because quality na ho krom de Japan Kotoko beto bi afrima any asan so de wo ye ya che nti nko force ase de e ko na ko force line na se omunim no mpo asema udu to ga the pepe next week me twanta no aba onim si ya yimu aka yi no sa ya to dam na uza unya 6 ne 7 a enye ntebe u ba nya 8 no nya 9
cars no
cars sorry to casa there's wedding ntebe wan hwe yi abeyi ntebe no oh no kura ne say me no kasa sese ma me Emmanuel Annor e o page ne so Emmanuel Annor oye one of the fantastic wingers abenya e okroma ya na de ha me ne say nipa no oye Kotoko supporter o tie no o tie yi ebi o favorite presenter the favorite presenter na kan na ni age pepe kan o say o pese Koto Emmanuel Annor na Emmanuel Annor me na me ka se Koto no Emmanuel Annor pepe na ba ba gire wo obi Koto no na league ni e boy no ahwe numbers no abusia owura Emmanuel Annor kampa wamun Kotoko no eba na ba bi o modi nkomadu nyina but Kotoko ma forward o
wow
enti Annor no adua na wuram na mediama wuram wo maya abrante no ready and na matter mediama the announcement aba but wingers part yes all you Peter Midu akwa yanka no krenche Annor a step above Peter Midu akwa quality no
okay
sa Annor gina ha na Emmanuel Peter Midu akwa gina ha Japan Annor no won nim chen no eti se olusu jam finanka de Annor ba asa kenye problem kra but Kotoko anya bibia je so muhia but na make say bia Kotoko be surprise here with an international player or ya winger ne numbers ne ye na eno bia ba sanya sadia on a local scene Japan Kotoko ya kachire and obi buza pepe na presenters ni na person come to play some say okay well last season now you satisfied with Kotoko quality was you know say see Kotoko quality or you satisfied with it was you know na say this will be a radio presenter no tell the videos say now just say Kotoko player so that intro mo ma press say Kotoko player last season one of Champions League Europe there no PSG so omo call Rodri ho omo call Rodri ho omo call Yan Diomande ho womo ma je French league in the area on baje say so omo extended the 2 years aba dominate European club competition which is the UEFA Champions League or top players usis obi ka se top player or ma Kotoko pressure and as at on tiase say obi a pese Kotoko player na se Kotoko obi say top player
yes
shama men ka se mo fan kira obi Japan
the original fella man
Asante Kotoko playing body no omo Moses here no but am bedin komo ka che say Eric Tinkler and Stanley say omo mo bia equal and fair opportunity to show what you can do because onimo
yes
last week omo be we training last week then am catch the coach you know on just satisfied with the quality at the disposal of Kotoko
yeah
na nyanwa because Kotoko no first team players me no try exercise we so first team players samba mo no ko Peter mi do akwa efita da bia na oboko ablo efita no na eboko goalkeeper na no na eda na kamara oko right back apra lodamwa ehwe no ho abetamu anya kotoko player biem kotoko number 9 no problem ho ti se coach ni ka say quality na wo no na ni nye ho a because omo no mo first team players no more than half of them ekọ ofa Madrid now yi Mbappe gina nche now yi Vini gina nche now yi Vavadi gina nche now yi Courtois gina nche na udi emphasize sa players we gina gina nche now the coach for our ball back to the quality no for me see beef up wo mo nyina ho kra no Madrid so operodi oso okofa yan Diomande wato Bernardo Silva wakofa Konate wafa ayi Makukuara de ya kan fo nyina ho still wo tobi gum abusi Asante Kotoko players na wo no more than England.
The original
the current playing body of Asante Kotoko ne de o mayeri akire coach no
Pepe Suarez
40 to 50% of them pay for the job kwan but my minister de ba kumfiri Kotoko board of directors no Kotoko board no say player no be jana kwan a jana kwan intem no akopi team ni bi say the be player no ensu ebinya bi abono ujana kwa intem there say oton no aton there say Nicolo ni age ye na adna Kolo Kotoko nankasa ought to reorganize themselves very well me kai say you the democracy cup no as a home flyer ba Kabiru obi democracy cup date da ho who's the president cup in Kebonu July normally a bar nanka 1st July Ghana became a republic made to be abusia pay sabia champo
Pepe Suarez the original fella man
said again is he pronounce republic no me the two the republic no
and hello who the
say REP no I said was he can puno say name just share no